Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today's portion, where do we get water from? What are the different sources of water? You have already studied in your previous class, no? Ponds, lake, rivers, seas. Okay, these are oceans. These are different sources of water. Then, where do we get water? What are the main source of water? What are the main source of water? Rain and glaciers are the main sources of water. Which are they? Rain and glaciers are the main sources of water. Glaciers means large accumulation of crystalline ice. Okay. Then water undergoes number of processes before it reaches us. Through pipes. Okay, through pipe. Then first step, first one, rain and what are the main source of water? Rain and glaciers. Rain and glaciers are the main sources of water. Then water from these sources to flow where? Rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes. Okay. Water from these sources to flow rivers and lake. Then some of the water is stored in reservoirs. Some of the water stored in reservoirs behind the dams. Okay, behind the dam. What do you mean by reservoirs? Reservoirs means natural or artificial pond or lake. Natural or artificial pond or lake for storing water. Okay, to store water. That means reservoirs. Okay, once more. Then water from rain and glaciers flows to rivers and lakes. Then some of the water is stored in reservoirs. Reservoirs means natural or artificial pond or lake. Then natural means provided by nature. Then artificial means that are made by human beings for storing water. Okay, natural or artificial pond or lake behind the dams. Okay, then next step, water is transported from the natural or artificial sources through pipes to water treatment plants. Okay, once more, water is transported from where? Natural or artificial sources to pipes, through pipes to water treatment plants. Water treatment plants. Then water treatment plant. Then water treatment plant means here water is treated and purified. Water is treated and purified. In water treatment plants, water is treated and purified because the water from rivers and lakes contains impurities. Water from rivers and lakes contains impurities. Then impurities means that dirt, germs, etc. Okay, the water from rivers and lakes contains impurities. Impurities means that dirt, germs, that type of things, no, that are impurities. It is harmful and it affects our health. Okay, it is very harmful and it affects our health. So, in water treatment plant, water is treated and purified. Second step. Next one is third one. In third step, water is sent through pipes to overhead or underground tank. Okay, water is this purified water. The purified water is sent through pipes to overhead or underground tank. Okay, next step, the purified water is then sent through pipes to overhead or underground tank. Then overhead means the tank is in which position? Up position, then underground, then down position. Okay, then the purified water is sent through pipes to overhead or underground water to store for storage. Okay, overhead or underground tank for storage. Okay, then first one, rain and glaciers. Then water from rain and glaciers flows to where? Rivers and lakes. Then some of the water is stored in reservoirs. Then what is the meaning of reservoirs? Natural or artificial pond or lake for storing water. Then next step, water from natural and artificial sources. Water is transported from natural and artificial sources through pipes to water treatment plants. Then water treatment plants, water is treated and purified because that water from lakes and rivers contains impurities. Impurities means that dirt, germs, that type of things. No, it is very harmful to our health. So, in water treatment plant, water is purified and treated and purified. Then the purified water is sent through pipes to overhead or underground water tanks for storage. Okay, then next step. In fourth step, the water from these tanks flows through pipes to reach our home. The water from this tank, flows through pipe, pipes to reach our home. Then purified water is sent through pipe to overhead or underground tank. Then that water is the water from this tank flows through pipes to reach our homes. Okay, these are the different steps for the water purification. Okay, these are the different steps. Okay, once more, water undergoes number of processes before it reaches us through pipe. These are the different steps. Okay, then from water body, then rain and glaciers are the main sources of water. It flows through rivers and lakes. Then some of the water is stored in reservoirs. Then that water where transported to water treatment plants. In water treatment plants, water is treated and purified. Then that water, purified water is goes to overhead or underground tanks. Then that water goes to tanks in the building or house. Then next step, finally through taps in our kitchens, bathrooms, etc. water reaches us. These are the number of process before these are the water undergoes the number of process before it reaches us through pipes. Okay. Thank you.